I'm Diana, a full-time reseller, and I wanted to talk to you guys about 4 items that sold today, and I'm going to show you guys how I packed them up as well. Starting with the biggest one, this Blue's Clues blue plush that sold for an offer of $8. I got it for $1 at a garage sale. I had it set for $15. No one sent any offers. No one ever took my offers. So when I got the one of $8, I decided to let it go. It's still decent profits from $1 to $8. I'm not mad about it, so I can focus on better things. Next up is this Tommy Bahama Supima cotton. It has the peach marlin on here, and it sold on Poshmark for $21.60. Oh, blue also sold on Poshmark. Easy ship. Yeah, this one sold for $21.60. Someone took one of my AutoPosher offers. If you don't know about AutoPosher, it's this virtual assistant that helps you share your closet, send offers on Poshmark and eBay as well. And on eBay, what it does is it'll take down your listing a day before it expires, and it basically does a sell similar to give you a new ID to bring up that fresh listing, and it's really great. A lot of my sales have come from there. If you haven't checked out AutoPosher, I highly recommend hitting that link in my bio to get $5 off your first month. If you've been iffy about a share, I definitely recommend AutoPosher because it helps with Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and Depop. You get 4 for the price for a really sweet price, actually. Next up is these Spanx jeans. I got them new with tags at a garage sale for, I think it was like $6 and some change. It was a garage seller from someone that used to resell, and I guess they just got tired of it and they were giving their prices at sweet deals. If you want to check out everything else that sold, go and check my TikTok, link in bio, and you can see exactly what sold. This one everything that has sold, I already paid for that haul. I spent a total of like $132, something like that. And so this is all pure profit. This sold today for $50 on eBay. And last but not least is this Nike Golf Volkswagen logo sweater. It's like a quarter zip, I think. I got this like one of the first times I went out thrifting as a serious side hustle, and it sat in my inventory for a long time. I got it last winter, but as many know, I did take a break up until May of 23 because I got a little sick and I just couldn't do it. So I started up again, and this sold. It's fall, it's middle of September, and this stuff is selling now. If you haven't listed your winter gear, I highly recommend starting now. So now we're gonna ship this together. Now we're here where the magic happens, the shipping magic. And I'm a dummy and thought I was recording and wasn't actually recording. So I packed these two up off camera, but I'm gonna tell you guys about them. This is the blue. It's a Poshmark sale. What I did was I put it in a poly bag, stuffed it in so that it fit into this box. Everything on Poshmark is priority, no matter what it says on here, whether it's flat rate or not. And it's a 5-pound limit on Poshmark, so just be aware of that. You can get these boxes and a lot of the supplies that I'm going to be showing you guys free on USPS.com. All you need is an account. You don't need a business account or anything. You can create it for free, and they ship right to your door. That's exactly what I did with these. And this is that blue from Blue's Clues. This is the other Poshmark sale, the Tommy Bahama. I put it in this Tyvek envelope. You can also get it for free as well from USPS.com, and I just love to use these for like shirts and stuff, things that aren't too crazy that need a box. Now we're moving on to eBay. I had already started this one. I realized I wasn't recording. And it's the Spanx. I put in the thank you note. For jeans on eBay, what I like to do is I like to ship them in these boxes. Again, you can get them for free on USPS.com. This just goes by weight and dimensions. So you put in the outside dimensions into eBay, and obviously weigh everything. And usually jeans and stuff are over a pound anyway, so it's just easier that way. I'm gonna set this box up here, and you're good to now. Because I don't trust those little adhesives sometimes, I'm gonna put my own piece of tape. This last one is going ground advantage, so I'm just gonna put it into one of my poly mailers. I get these from Pack and Ship. I'll put the link in my bio. This isn't sponsored or anything. I just love all their cute little packaging, and it's pretty cheap. It's cheaper than a lot of places I see. So definitely check out Pack and Ship for all your shipping stuff. These I know have really good adhesive, so I don't put anything extra. But just like that, we got 4 sales going out on this beautiful Saturday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go hit that link, those links in my bio. I have a whole bunch of information. Follow me on all those socials. I post different little content on each one. And if you guys have any questions, definitely drop them in the comments. I go live on TikTok, so definitely follow me there, where I show you guys what I got, what I'm shipping, things like that nature. Now that I'm doing this full time, I have a ton more free time to show you guys exactly what I'm getting and what I'm shipping that day. Usually I'll do a ship with me live if I get 4 to 5 items for sale that sold that same day. If not, I'll just probably show you guys my hauls. But be on the lookout for those, and be on the lookout for all the stuff I have coming to this page soon. And if you liked this content, definitely subscribe.